I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the phone number is active and in international format. For example, +1 555-123-4567. Once done, open a browser and sign into Google on a secondary device to avoid lockouts. Make sure to disable autofill that could interfere. You'll use Google's account recovery and lookup options next, so have a working SMS or call path available. This step prevents wasted attempts and explains why you need both the number and a reachable verification channel before proceeding. Now you use Google account recovery and related tools. Go to Accounts. Google.com/signin/recovery and enter the phone number or the account's likely username. Once done, follow prompts for SMS codes. Make sure to try alternate verification such as backup email or device prompts. If you have device access, check Android. Settings accounts Google to reveal synced Gmail addresses. Also consider importing contacts or using the phone's dialer search. These methods work because devices often map numbers to stored accounts and reveal associated. Finish by securing any recovered Gmail. Update recovery phone and secondary email, revoke old sessions, and enable two-step verification. Once done, confirm access on your secondary device and make sure changes propagate. If you hit a dead end, pause, request permission from the owner or ask mutual contacts to confirm the address. Unauthorized access is wrong and often blocked. For common failures, try SMS forwarding, check for carrier message blocks, clear cookies, or use an incognito window. These steps fix delivery and detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.